How to download Valorant Riot app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to download this application, what you can simply do is tap and launch your Google Chrome browser over here. You can use any browser that you have on your device. Then on the search bar, just search for Valorant application over here and then tap on the Valorant website, which is the official website over here. As you do that, you can just scroll down and just scroll down to the very end over here, and over here you can see the option of download Riot mobile companion app. So tap on it, and as you tap on that, you'll be able to download the application over here. So just tap on install, and as you do that, you'll be able to download the Valorant Riot app on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.